What's up, everybody? Long time no see. It's Zach, and today, so I haven't been shooting hardly at all lately. Haven't felt like it. Haven't had time and whatnot. But I had one of my buddies at work got me like 4 boxes of these Trump snaps back, but they're just these the little snapper fire, you know what I'm saying, things. I've never shot at these outside of like tournaments, practice ranges. I'm gonna hang this guy up in the catch box and see how long it takes me to hit it. Like I said, since ECST I've shot exactly once, and that was Joe Stokes' place a few weeks back. So this might take a while. I got it tied up on a string. I'm gonna hang it up in there, and we'll see. See if we can hit it. See how long it takes us. All right, it's hanging up in there. Where my 50 is on top, the white 50, and the 2 leather guys, it's kind of in between that. I don't know, you might be able to see, you might not. Well, let me fix it. I gotta fix the bottom of my catch box real quick. 1 sec. All right. Like I said, this could take a minute, but I really want to shoot it, so let's see how long it takes. We're shooting my elephant as usual with Double D's Neptune green 0.5 8mm steel. I knocked it off the daggone string. Hold on. Sorry. Hopefully I don't have to again. We'll see. It might. I just got it kind of tied on there. I don't even know if I hit it, if it'll pop. Dude. Try it like that. Maybe if I hang it directly in front of that 50, you know what I mean? Kind of give me more to look at. I need to shoot more, man. I suck, guys. I'm sorry. I ain't the man that I once was. Wise man once said. Alright. Boom, boom, scared myself. Actually didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. Not too bad. Thank y'all for shooting me today. Maybe you'll see me again soon-ish. Maybe, perhaps, I don't know. I'm not making any promises. But, that was fun. Good to see y'all. Have a good one. Catch you on the next one.